How to delete all saved posts on Instagram at once. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Instagram on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then click on your profile at the bottom right corner of your screen. Here, click on the three lines at the top right. Then simply click on Saved in here. After you've clicked on Saved, you'll find all your saved posts. Now to delete that, click on Manage. After you've clicked on Manage, select all the saved posts. Then press on Unsave at the bottom left corner of your screen. Click on Unsave, and after you do that, it will remove all the saved posts from your Instagram account. And this is how to delete all saved posts on Instagram at once. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.